Now let's take another question. It says that the function is given with this relation that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus f of y plus f of xy minus 2, and one value, that is f of 2, is given to be 5, and we need to find the value of f of 5. So the options are 24, 25, 2 and 26. So let us find some of the few terms, because I don't think so we can directly get the value of f of 5 just by knowing the value of f of 2. So what we can do is let me take the value of x to be 1 and y to be 2, so that we can get the value of f of 1. So if you substitute into the expression given, it will be f of 1 into f of 2, which is equal to f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 1 into 2 is f of 2 minus of 2. Since the value of f of 2 is known, we can easily get the value of f of 1. I'm just leaving the calculation part for you. Directly the value of f of 1 would be 2. So I'm just writing the value here. F of 1, the value is 2. F of 2, the value given to us from the question is 5, and we need to find the f of 5. Now again, just by getting the value of f of 1, can we find the value of f of 5? That's the key questions. Yes, we can try. If I take x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5, or vice versa, I will get an expression of f of 1 and f of 5. I know the value of f of 1, and hence after substitution I might get the value of f of 5. But if we try this value, we'll encounter one problem. Let's see what is that problem which we'll be encountering. So if I put, so it will be f of 1 into f of 5 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 5 plus f of 1 into 5 is f of 5 minus 2. Now the value of f of 1 is 2, so let me substitute here. So it will be 2 into f of 5 is equal to 2 plus f of 5 plus f of 5, so it will be 2 times of f of 5 minus 2. So these two gets cancelled out. The LHS and RHS get vanished. Both become equal to 0. So I cannot get the value of f of 5. Similarly, if you can try, you cannot get the value of f of 3 as well with the same logic. So what do I do? So f of 3 I can't get directly by substituting the known values, but I can get the value of f of 4 by substituting both the value of x and y equal to 2. I'm again leaving the calculation part for you. The value for f of 4 will be 17. For one more value we need to find, and that is f of 0, which we can find by putting the value of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, and f of 0, the value is 1. So these are the values which we can calculate directly, but we cannot get the value of f of 3, neither the value of f of 5 directly. So what we'll do is we'll try to find out some kind of pattern from this particular values which we have got. Now if you look at closely, what you see is that f of 0 is 1. So what I mean to say is that f of x would be some function in terms of x. So by putting x is equal to 0, you'll get the value as 1. By putting x is equal to 1, you'll get the value of 2. By putting x equal to 2, you'll get the value of 5. And by putting x equal to 4, you'll get the value of 17. So we have to just ascertain that what kind of function the f of x could be. So by simple hit and trial, what you will find is that the function of f of x is nothing but x square plus 1. You can cross check that when you put x equal to 0, f of 0 is 1. For x is equal to 1, it is 1 plus 1, that is 2. For 2 is equal to 5, and for 4 is equal to 17. So clearly for f of 3, if you put x is equal to 3, the value will be 10, and for f of 5, the value will be 25 plus 1, that is 26, which is option D.